Hi, my name is Genevieve. Welcome to how to use the Dion Leadership Learning Platform. To get to the Talent LMS, please go to www.dionleadership.talentlms.com. Please log in using the username and password emailed to you. Once you have logged in, you will arrive at the home screen. From here you can see recent course activity, and you can also see my courses over here on the left. Please go ahead and select whichever course you are hoping to work on today. From this page, you can see a list here of the content upcoming. You can also see the files here. As part of this course, you will need to download the participant guide as well as any handouts applicable to your course. From here, you can click Preview to open in your browser. You may also download and print the materials to follow along throughout your course. For our example today, we'll click Resume Course. From here, it'll take you into the page back to wherever you left off last in the course. If you are just beginning, you will start with Welcome to Learning with Dion Leadership. From here, you will watch a short video of our practice lead, Terry Shell. Once you complete the video, you can scroll on down and move into the next section. This will detail what to expect within this course, including the self-paced assignments, how to download the participant guide as we showed previously, and also that there will be an instructor-led session for this particular course. You will see we will continue to move throughout the course by continuing to scroll and click down. Your courses may include a series of videos, articles, or other materials as dependent upon your content. Once complete with each section, again, you can continue to scroll and click through. This here is an example of a video embedded for you to watch within your course. As you move throughout the different pieces of your course, you will get down to Part 2, Instructor-Led Virtual Session, or wherever that comes within your particular course. The Part 2 Instructor-Led Session page should look like this. You will see the date and time of your next course, the instructor, and then you may click here to join the Zoom link directly. Once you have completed your instructor-led session, you will see a series of post-session challenges or evaluations as appropriate. We also offer some courses that include assessments. For a course such as our Emotional Intelligence that will be utilizing a personalized assessment, you may find those under your user up in the upper right-hand corner and My Files. These files are private and only accessible to you as the user. You will need to download this file directly for your course and training sessions. You may do so by clicking on it to preview it in the web browser, or by clicking the download button as shown here. These assessments will be custom to you. The title page will have your name and the date that you took the assessment. At any time, you may go back to My Courses and view the other courses you are enrolled in, as well as the percentage complete. If you have any questions, please contact Dion Leadership. Lauren, Lauren, @dionleadership.com. Thank you.